In this video, we will see how to hide this last seen notification on Instagram. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get video updates like this. Your subscription matters. Please subscribe. Open your Instagram app in your phone. Next, click on the profile image in the bottom right. Next, click this 3 horizontal bar menu icon on the right-hand top corner. Next, click Settings tab in the bottom. Next, click on Privacy tab in Settings screen. Next, on the Privacy screen, click Activity Status. Here, the activity status is by default turned on. You can turn it off so that others on your Instagram friends or follow list will not be able to see when you were last active on Instagram. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful, and also subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.